Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology, and I'm very sure you are learning from my videos. So today friends we will talk something about Dhanabhav, second house of horoscope. Rather than second house of horoscope, I will call it as a Artha Trikona of our horoscope. We all are very aware about Artha Trikona, that is the second house, sixth house and 10th house of our horoscope. But why Artha Trikona? Why Dharma Trikona? Why Kama Trikona? Moksha Trikona? Dharma means you are taking birth and then you are learning earth. Okay. Earth means what? Meaning. Earth also means arthik, that is finance. That means whatever birth you have taken, what is the meaning of that birth? Why you have taken birth? And the another meaning. See, research way, spiritual way, karmic way, we can consider it as artha means meaning. And the another meaning for artha is arthik, that is earning or calculation, finance. So when we are born, we have a family to teach us, to guide us, to cope up with our emotions, what to learn, what not to learn, how you can earn money. Because our parents, our relatives are always there to guide us that, okay, if you learn this, you will get this. They are the helping hand and they are major part of our constructive lifestyle or constructive professional style also. Many of us must have experienced this, and then we start growing on our own. Once we are out with wider wings, then we start grooming more, then we start flying more. But always it is there that no matter how hard work I do, no matter how efforts I take, but still money is not keeping in my hand, or money is not standing in my hand, or always I have to run after money even though I am earning so much. I can see that monthly I earn pretty good amount, but still I do not have anything at the end of month, or I'm not able to save the money. Maximum of people will be having these complaints, but out of them, what I have observed, that people who are having movable sign in second house of horoscope, that is 1 4 7 10, this is movable means it is going ahead and ahead, it's not standing or it is not becoming stagnant. In this people's horoscope, when movable sign is posited in second house, then definitely money keeps coming. Okay, but the flow is not decided whether it will be bigger or lesser. Maybe you are having one small shop also and you are earning daily, or you are having big business outlet also, or you are having good establishment of business also, and then you are earning. But here what happens, that money is continuously coming, but how it will survive, that is not decided unless and until the strength of this movable planet and the way this movable planet is posited in your horoscope, that is in which house and in which sign again this movable sign's lord is posited, that plays very important role. People having fixed sign in second house of horoscope, that is Taurus sign, Scorpio sign, Leo sign and Aquarius sign. In this people's horoscope, you can see that they are able to bind their money, or they are able to hold their money capacity, accumulation of money. They know how to channelize this money. They are very brilliant people to think about it. And in any emergencies, they have money in some pockets, they have money somewhere invested, they have money somewhere kept. I'm not saying that movable sign people does not have, in fact they also have. But fixed people, what they do, they are making their money more fixed, so that they do not have to rush here and there when time comes, and then they have something in their hand. And secondly, these people can save money very easily. If you are not able to just start doing it, definitely, there is a Bharani nakshatra in Taurus sign, correct? There is a Rahu nakshatra in Aquarius sign. There is a Anuradha nakshatra in Scorpio sign, and there is Magha nakshatra in Leo sign. So definitely you have capacity to accumulate the wealth in a correct way, no matter what is your earning income. Third, when you have planet like dual sign planet, that is Mithuna Rashi, Kanya Rashi, Virgo, that is Sagittarius and Pisces. Now that is a dual. Sometimes you earn multiple, like whatever you are earning, even though you have a fixed salary or you are self-employed person. If you are a self-employed, then continuous 15-20 days, every day you are earning, and all of a sudden there is a break. Next 10 days you are not getting anything, then you are just thinking, what happened. And if you are a salaried person, no doubt you are getting salary, but still sometimes you find that I am able to save this salary, I am able to buy whatever I want, I am able to meet up my ends, I am able to save it, and after 2 months all this saved money I have to remove and I have to utilize for some other work. This is what I have observed in movable signs. Okay, in more detail, if you have to see, then you have to see it in Navmansha also. I will make separate video for that. But basic idea about saving of money, or basic idea about earning of money rather, will be definitely this way. And then the second thing comes, that what planets are posited in your second house. If there is a planet like Sun, Rahu, or only Rahu, then also sudden money gain, sudden money loss. Money is not keeping in your hand. Any planet posited in second house with Rahu, in 10th house with Rahu, in 6th house with Rahu, definitely lots of money you will see, but you are not able to channelize that money, or some or other way you are not able to justify where the money is going, even though you have all the accounts in your hand. This is the fact what I am trying to say. Maybe you may be having some different experiences, and I definitely tell all of you to share your experiences, and whether this is you are finding correct in your horoscope, please put all these things in comment box as well. But second house really plays very important role. Then comes the 6th house and 10th house in horoscope. Then 6th house is again 5th to 2nd house. 10th house is 9th to 2nd house. So this is a Artha Trikona. And then accumulation of money goes in Prarabdha house, that is 6th house, and then profession house it will go. It is not, this is visionary, all this profession house and Prarabdha, or 6th house of Naukri or day to day work. But out of this, 6th house is earning, 10th house is your profession, and whatever you are earning through 6th house and 10th house, ultimately it is going into your second house. That is why we say that second house is accumulation of money, and out of this money what type of gains you are going to enjoy, that is the 11th house, because 11th house is again 10th house of your Artha Trikona, that is second house. That is why we are giving too much of importance to second house of horoscope, and second house is also Marakasthana, but that is for different theory. Otherwise people will think that this is a Marakasthana, how we can justify this theory. No, that is again a different thing. So friends, see in your own horoscope or in others' horoscope, whenever you are learning it or you are practicing it, let me know. Next time I will come with another fresh topic. By that time, stay tuned with my channel. Do not forget to subscribe, share and like Planet to Soul Astrology. And thank you for watching and appreciating my videos. This really means a lot. And please subscribe my channel. सबका मंगल हो. May all be blessed. Namaste.